Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about vacuum circuit breakers. Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about vacuum circuit breakers. Vacuum circuit breakers are one of the most popular types of circuit breakers in use today, and are widely used in power systems, industrial plants, and other applications. So, what is a vacuum circuit breaker, and how does it work? To answer that question, let's first talk about what a circuit breaker is. A circuit breaker is a device that is designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excessive current or a short circuit. Circuit breakers work by automatically interrupting the flow of electricity when a fault is detected, in order to prevent damage to the electrical system or equipment. Now, let's get back to vacuum circuit breakers. Vacuum circuit breakers are a type of circuit breaker that use vacuum as the arc quenching medium. In other words, when the circuit breaker is opened, the electrical arc that forms between the contacts is extinguished in a vacuum environment. One of the key advantages of vacuum circuit breakers is that they are highly reliable and require very little maintenance. Unlike other types of circuit breakers, vacuum circuit breakers do not require regular replacement of arc quenching materials, such as oil or gas. This makes them an ideal choice for applications where reliability and low maintenance are key considerations. Another advantage of vacuum circuit breakers is that they are very compact, which makes them ideal for use in applications where space is at a premium. They are also very fast-acting, which means that they can quickly interrupt the flow of electricity when a fault is detected, thereby minimizing the damage that can be caused by a fault. So, that's a brief overview of vacuum circuit breakers. They are an important component of modern electrical systems, and offer many advantages over other types of circuit breakers. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for tuning in.